Hi, you guys. Does anyone know who this is? I do. Alexi Lubomirski. He's a brilliant photographer. He's shot the royal family several times. He's also a prince, which maybe everybody doesn't know. A Polish prince. And a really amazing friend. And he also is a father and a husband. And that was super lame.
Good, where's this list going? And a man.
Yeah.
Are we rolling?
So, Alexi, how long have we known each other?
I'm going to say 18 years?
Except you can't tell because I haven't aged, right?
Yes, that's what it is. She tried to set me up with one of her friends once, and
Cameron Diaz?
and I immediately said to the waiter who came over and said, so I'm going to have Cosmopolitan, double vodka and cranberry, and an espresso, please. And then she said, is that it for the table? And I was like, no, that's
And
for
I was
me.
like, I'm trying to set you up. He's very different now. He's vegan. He doesn't drink. He doesn't really...
I don't do anything fun.
He doesn't do anything fun. There's zero vices.
So what are you doing today?
Well, we're vegan now, or you are.
Yes.
So I wanted to make something that you want to make.
Do you have a NutriBullet?
I have a Vitamix.
Sure, let's go.
Does that work?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. So what's your YouTube channel called?
It's called Alexi Lubomirski, which is really difficult to spell, but it's going to be here somewhere.
Yeah, it's going to be down there somewhere. You'll find it.
Thanks.
No problem.
I'm sure there are proper measurements, but I do everything by eye because I'm
Okay.
a 14-year-old boy. So hemp seed, I'm going to make enough for everybody. These have lots of omega-3s and protein and all sorts of good stuff. Chia seeds. So I always soak a batch of chia seeds.
It's really gelatinous.
Yeah. So I usually soak a batch of chia seeds at the beginning of the week, and I put it in a tub so that way every morning I just take out 2 big spoonfuls.
In like the bathtub?
I love, yeah, in the bathtub. That's good. These are very nice.
You know, I thought I'd try to impress
Look
you.
at this.
Ooh,
This is posh.
well posh.
So I'm going to do
Nothing less for the royal himself.
the brass spoon.
The brass.
So then, yeah, it's always good to have some fruit in there because it's nice and tasty. So raspberries are great
It's
for...
nice and tasty.
Nice and tasty. So then, peanut butter. I use peanut butter every day because it's full of energy, and I need lots of energy during the day because I'm running around doing lots of silly stuff.
And can you tell that it gives you energy?
Yeah, because I know that if I get tired, I'll just go home and have a
Scoop
teaspoon
of
of peanut butter, and it lifts me up for another couple of hours. Ooh, I'm going to bend your spoons.
Go for it.
I'm going to bend it. I'm going to break it. So peanut butter. Whatever's organic, whatever's good.
I went for the cheap one. No, just kidding.
No doubt.
No, wait, that should probably be organic, I think. Yeah,
Yeah,
organic.
it is.
See?
3 teaspoons of coconut oil, because it's really good for fat, and there's probably something else really good about it, which you can Google.
Cinnamon good for it.
Cinnamon is good because it's great for anti-inflammatory purposes.
Oh, wow.
Which is wonderful. And
God.
so, which is also, you know, you get from meditation, you get from, I've started doing Wim Hof breathing.
Yeah. Can you do one? Oh, and a quick blowout. Do you ever take cold showers?
I actually followed Wim Hof about 1.5 years ago, so I've been taking cold showers for about 1.5 years. For example, at home, sometimes the shower, depending on what the apartment upstairs is doing, the shower only goes lukewarm. So what I do at the beginning of the week is I fill my bathtub with freezing water and put some like Dead Sea salts in there, and it just stays there for the week. And I get in and dunk myself in the cold one for like a minute.
The same water every day for a week.
But you're already clean, just came out of the shower. Oh. So being in the cold arse bath.
Cold ass bath.
Being in the cold
ass bath.
Wow, professional.
Oh
God. All right.
I've been taking cold showers for a long time, but I always start with the warm.
Right.
But the breathing makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
After I was so fascinated by the Wim Hof. You have to meet him. You have to do him on your face to face.
Yeah, that'd be cool. Wim Hof, if you're out there.
Are you out there, Wim Hof? That I want to do something with Wim Hof. Maybe a makeup and friends.
So you mentioned blueberries. So Cacao Nibs have 40 times the amount of antioxidants. No, 40 times the amount of antioxidants than blueberries. So I always put in 2 tablespoonfuls in there. So again, People might write in saying I'm doing all the amounts wrong. You're absolutely right. I'm doing everything wrong, but
he's doing it his way.
This is how I like it, and I'm a man. And I don't listen to anybody. Turmeric powder, great anti-inflammatory. Amazing, amazing, amazing. So I'm gonna put like a healthy teaspoon in there.
You want some cayenne in there?
No, thanks.
No? No thanks.
And we're gonna add to that some green powder. So I put in this green blend every day. It's got barley grass, wheatgrass, and chlorella.
Barley grass, wheatgrass.
Barley grass?
Grass. Okay, how much of this?
How much of it?
Yeah.
I tend to put 3 teaspoons in.
Okay.
And
You just do whatever you feel like.
yeah, you know.
I like it. I like it.
I don't put any sort of sweet stuff in usually because. Oh, we have banana. There you go. Do you want to do the? Do you want to do something?
Well,
Get
yes.
the banana. Get in
I'd
there.
love to. It's like our duet.
Go for it.
Hey.
Okay.
All right. So what else?
Matcha powder.
Oh, interesting.
I was never.
Antioxidant.
Probably antioxidant. Amazing for you. Superfood. Wonderful.
Okay.
Makes your hair grow. Makes you brainy. Those are completely false statements, but. So that's that. I think that's pretty much. Oh yeah.
Dave.
So I was going to say I don't usually put anything sweet in it, but some people complain that maybe smoothies aren't sweet enough.
Should we try it before?
Sure, let's do that. But I usually put 1 day in, if you want. All right, is this on?
No. Wait. No ice.
I don't put ice in, but
Ew, really?
you know what? For you, let's put some ice in. Do you like a cold smoothie?
I mean, I don't really like a worm smoothie.
Let's put a little block of ice in. Where's the ice?
Okay, hold on. I like some smoothie. It's disgusting.
How much ice do we? We're doing the ice bath apparently.
Ready?
Ready when you are.
Okay, here we go.
Alright, let's give it a go anyway. I'm sure it's fine.
Let's try it. That's weird. Oh, it's good. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yum. It's good, you guys.
There you go. You're gonna poop like a champ. Tell you.
Really?
Yeah.
Good. I like that.
And that's my smoothie.
Alexi, this is good. I might steal this. I might replace the peanut butter though.
For
Almond butter.
yeah, great.
What should we call it? The
Very mixture between Alexi and Gucci. Alexucci.
Alexucci. But I hardly did anything. You guys, please stay tuned for part 2 with Alexi Lubomirski.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys for watching.